Wow. So what's this?
Oh, this is the Soyuz capsule that they came back in from the space station. You know, Tim Peake and his two colleagues, they came back in this.
It seems real. It's perfect.
It is real.
Yeah, come on. No, it's not real.
Yes, it is real. This is the actual one that they came back in. You know, you see all these black marks, they're from the burning. With the atmosphere, it gets really, really hot, like 1500 degrees.
Yeah, but this is a model.
No, it's not a model.
Can be the real one.
It is the real one. Okay, come on, I'll show you.
Okay, I'm gonna read this one. Now, really? Went to the space? Really? Come on! It's amazing! Look there.
I'll show you something very, very cool.
So this is also real?
Yes, yeah. You know what this is?
No.
This is the command module for Apollo 10. So NASA had Apollo 8. Apollo 8 actually went to the moon. Then Apollo 10, they went to the moon, but it was like a dress rehearsal. They actually didn't land on the moon. And then when they did Apollo 11, then they actually went to the moon and they landed there. Neil Armstrong said his line, like, you know, the small step for one man, and
Un piccolo passo per l'uomo, un grande passo per la... No, it's not this one.
There you go. That's the line. Is that the line?
Sì, yeah,
I don't
it's
know.
not
My Spanish
Italian.
is not that good. Okay. So this is the actual command module for Apollo 10. Okay, and the 11 had similar one. And then have you seen Apollo 13?
No.
Okay, Apollo 13 was a similar movie. It's a great movie. And that
Gotta watch
was, in that one, they go. Tom Hanks is there, Kevin Bacon is there, and they actually tried to go to the moon again, and nobody was interested. Nobody, no newspaper, TV cameras, nothing, no excitement because we've already been there. It's boring. Yeah.
So it's the moon. It's just the moon. Who cares about it?
So, but what happened was on the way to the moon, they had an accident. They had explosions in the oxygen tanks, and because of that, they had some damage to the spacecraft. And then it became a mission to bring them back. Then all the TV cameras are interested, everybody's interested in that. And then there's a lot of human drama because they were close to the moon, but they could not go on to the moon. So you know this expression, Houston, we have a problem?
Yeah, Houston, we have a problem.
That is from there.
In the Science Museum London, and this is the Apollo 10 command module. It's the original one, it's not a module. This one is called Charlie Brown, with the landing module that was attached to it being Snoopy. Snoopy is still out there, it's orbiting the sun, and this is a very special piece of engineering because it took us to the moon.
Nice.
The significance basically of this, for me at least, is that we didn't go to the moon because we had to. We went to the moon to prove a point, which makes it special as a symbol. And what we have over here is the control panel, which has been used in the simulator, so that astronauts would train. The astronauts would spend a very, very long time of their training focusing on how to operate this. There's a bit of movie trivia when Kevin Bacon flips the switches in Apollo 13 that causes the explosion. It's those two O2 fans, 1 and Noto over there, the two last switches on the right hand side.
That's when the explosion happens in the movie.
That's when the explosion happens in the movie. Oh, there's also another one. Do you remember there's a poster that he does, that he puts as in "Don't press this one,"
Yep,
because that
yep.
one separates the command module from the lunar
Yeah.
lander. It's those yellow and black ones over there. Those are the
Alright.
separators.
Oh, okay.
In this mission, they were used twice. They were used initially when they started descending to test out the lunar lander over the moon's surface. They didn't land, of course. And it was also used again when they detached it so they could return to Earth. So the 2 times those 2 switches were flipped.
Lovely. Thank you very much for that.
Pleasure.
Thank you.
What's this?
In that film, there's a scene. This is a simulator. So the astronauts, they actually train on these, and they do all the kind of drills on that. Every possible emergency they cover on this. In the movie, there is one scene where he flips 2 switches, and then to stir the oxygen tanks, and they catch fire. And those 2 switches are those 2 on the right hand side. So those were the ones that he actually presses in the movie. And in that movie, when you watch it, then you watch carefully. There is one place where he puts a sticker saying, "Do not press this." Those black, the yellow and black,
The
those
one-
are the
oh,
ones.
that's
Yeah,
it.
those are the ones, and they are used only because it separates this one from the main
okay,
spacecraft.
okay.
So they use it only for one time to go up, and then one time when they're landing. Don't know the whole procedure, but those are the 2 switches. So you should watch that movie.
Come here. It's driverless.
Yeah.
Have you read it?
I have read it. I've read some other stuff as well.
What does it mean?
It means the AI, they are making these cars which are, they will be run by the computer. So they will be, computers can react faster, so there will be fewer accidents. Yeah.
Grow your food.
So while you are, you can be doing your
Perfect.
nails.
And they can bring you at home.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's gonna be cool.
And that one.
Yeah, I think that's a prototype. They're working on that.
It's very nice.
I don't like the color.
Why not?
It's weird color. Not my style. That is more my style. I would go.
It's gonna
with
be
that.
different from all the other cars. So
It could be.
you're gonna be sure that it's yours if it's something like that.
No, but it could be that there may be solar panels.
Ah,
It just takes the energy from the sun and
okay,
just runs on
okay,
that.
okay.
Yeah, I don't know.
do you prefer the other one?
That
One is more your style. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one.
On board the International Space Station, making the journey there and back again in the Soyuz spacecraft. In a moment, you'll experience the highlights of my thrilling journey back to Earth.
That's cool, right? That's cool, right? Yeah. Again. go to sleep? It's good, right? The camera is gonna break.
Because you have
It has to, yeah, because no, because it has to, yeah.